Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 20th, 2022. DraftKings crashes. We already knew it. We already knew that the price in DraftKings was weak, so we're not surprised to see the market in DraftKings on Friday fall 21, almost 22%. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. You guys can see I do the price predictions on the price chart, letting everyone know who is a subscriber of my channel as to where I'm looking for the price to go without the confusion. Yeah, if you guys haven't seen my last video on DraftKings, go check it out. It was done on the 19th of January, of which I told you all to be prepared for the price to go down in DraftKings, and it has done that. So let's see what's going to happen now. I mean, are we still going to see the price go down? Are we going to look for the price to start to go up in DraftKings? Hit the like button. Share and also subscribe to the channel, because look at this chart, man. This chart in DraftKings is completely garbage. Look at this. It's ugly. I mean, you've seen so many YouTubers throughout all of last year, 2021, just trying to capitalize and tell you all that DraftKings is in a innovation space that nobody else is able to do what DraftKings is doing. And now the market has completely fell off. And now these YouTubers ain't doing no more DraftKings plays because the price is completely gone against what they've been talking about all of 2021. This is why I like price chart, because it gives you a historical perspective as to what was going on then versus what everyone else was trying to talk about. Now you kind of could tell that all those YouTubers who's been pumping DraftKings now has egg on their face, because they are these quote unquote long-term holders in stocks. And it's quite amazing that everyone becomes instantaneously long-term holders when the market falls 50-60%. But when the market in DraftKings was massively on this bullish uptrend, nobody was saying that they were long-term holders. Nobody. But when the price falls 60-70%, I'm holding this for the next 5 years. I'm kind of waiting for the next 20 years. So hopefully I can break even on these plays. See, this is a ruthless game. The stock market is very ruthless. It doesn't care about you. It doesn't care about me. It only cares about taking the bag. You guys got to start thinking the same way and not follow what these YouTubers are trying to tell you all. Just pay attention to the charts. Pay attention to the price, because that is the lifeblood of every market. That is what I do. I don't listen to no other YouTubers. I don't listen to no mass media news pundits. I don't care about CNBC. I don't listen to the tweets. I don't do no fundamental analysis. I don't care about what the CEO is doing about their shares in a particular stock. I look at the money. The price chart is the money, and it tells you what everyone else is trying to do. Check this out. So let's talk about this real quick. All right. Did a video right here on, like I said, the 19th of January. Don't worry about it. Fully transparent. It is still there as to what I was talking about on the 19th of January, looking for the price in DraftKings to go down, and it did that. Cool. Now, I have an ultimate area TP around $15.50. Consider what happened on Friday. Yeah, the market may actually hit that out. We might actually get that out this space. You guys can see that's around 29, almost 30% profitability from when I did the video on the 19th. 30% right there, right? Check this out. Pretty much, let's see if we still have weakness, because if we don't, then we need to cut the play and take the bag to where the market is right now. I'm cool with that. Because like I said, you got to know when to get in and when to get out. If you're a long-term holder, then cool. Don't come in and watch another DraftKings videos until the 5-year mark, and then you exit out your position where the market is. It doesn't matter. You're here for the 5 years, right? Enjoy your stay. Don't come in and look at the price chart. And when 5-year mark hits, leave. That's how this game needs to be played, right? I get it. When you put money on the line, it's a different story. Now, the market in DraftKings, right? This is a 3-day chart, okay? And I'm here to show you how you can tell that this market is still massively weak. Let me show you. Take a look at this. Right here on this 3-day price bar, right? This was weakness. Look at all this volume here. All this volume came in. The price in DraftKings shot up here towards $23, and we ended up closing at $19.39. Cool. I get it. Look at the following 3-day price bar. This is where the strength came into the market in DraftKings. This is where the market actually tried to go up in price. But look at the result. Following this 3-day price bar on January 28, 2022, The market failed to trade above $24 on strength. It failed. So the market is already telling us you have to pay attention to the charts. I cannot reiterate that enough on how important it is to look at the markets on the price basis. Don't care about nothing else. Don't look at fundamental analysis. Don't do no 8-pillar process. Don't do no discount cash flow model. Nothing. That's all garbage. Pay attention to the price chart. Look at this. Right here, the market in DraftKings was able to hold buyers above $24 on January 3rd, 2022, right? It elevated that price for about three-day price bars. We saw that. But then on this 3-day price bar, price broke below $24. And since then, market in DraftKings has not traded above that $24 price level since. Look at this. So already we should know that $24 is going to act as restriction in the market in DraftKings. That's massively powerful for us to know. We already know as long as DraftKings trades below $24, guess what? We're not going to look for the price to go up. We have to consider that every price bar we see is actual money being used in the market, right? So if the market in DraftKings cannot break above $24, that means that the market is still weak, that the overall market is thinking that DraftKings is massively weak. It's massively overvalued. They're trying to take this price somewhere else. So come back here and you guys can see that, yeah, $15, $16 is doable. What about 12? What about $13.50? $13.50. What do you think? Like, we already can tell that this price in DraftKings is massively weak. We got $24 as restriction. Take a look at this. Back here is now going to act as restriction into the market in DraftKings. Look at that. Price is now trading well below $20. So now we can say that $20 is going to act as restriction too. So we got $20 and we now have $24 that is being a lid on DraftKings price going up. We got that. Price doesn't move on purpose by coincidence. It moves because it has a purpose. It's trying to go somewhere. And when you see prices break areas of support, areas of restriction, you got to pay attention to it. Because now we understand that that downtrend that started back in September is still intact. It is not broken yet. All right. So let me show you all the weekly time frame here in DraftKings. This is why the price is still weak. This is why we're still anticipating the market in DraftKings to go down. One weekly price bar has literally erased the last 4 weeks of price bars. It took the market 4 weeks just for it to go up to $24 and 1 week for it to completely erase all of it and price close on the low of the bar. I don't know what else to show you. If you cannot tell that this is a very weak market in DraftKings, I don't know what else to say. Even if they were to come out with very positive earnings, and if their earnings call was very positive and the market looks to be somewhere else in the next 10 to 15 years, cool. But currently, right now, the market is already speaking and the price is anticipated to go down. So I'm still looking for the market to go down in DraftKings. Basically, what happened last week confirms that the weakness is still here. I'm going to continue to keep our ultimate TP price in play. What is it? $15.50, I think. But basically, even here on the monthly time frame, right? We got 8 days and 5 hours left. This is weakness. I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in DraftKings come all the way down to $12.50 right now. Like, this is a massively weak market in DraftKings. That's it. So I'm still here. I'm still playing the weakness into the market in DraftKings. Nothing has changed regarding that. And if price comes above $20, we'll have to come back in and talk because the market is telling us something different. But until that time, we already know where we're trying to go. All right, I'm done. Your turn. Let me know. Give me your price target. Give me your price prediction for DraftKings. Tell everyone in our community, what do you think? For real. No cap. Let us know what you all think the market is about to do in DraftKings. And hit us up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.